placement journey at EdYoda? Because that is the main thing everyone is looking forward to getting a job. So how was your placement journey?
Placement journey is quite good. Here, one thing we have to remember is without two hands we cannot clap. So there should be some sort of hard work from our side, as well as if we have that willing thing to go to grow, then automatically that everything comes into one place. That EdYoda is the one thing that the one thing which helped here. When it comes to the placement, in the beginning, I have given the interviews. There I felt I have rejected, but then I felt like, okay, let me try again. But still, yes, finally I landed with a good place. That's what I have expected. For that, I'm so grateful to the EdYoda every time, in each and every minute of my life.
Okay. And now we'll come to a final question where suppose someone is looking, like still thinking whether to join EdYoda or not, they are not sure. So as someone who has already done the course, you have got placed, what would your advice be to them?
EdYoda is a one thing which it is going to give 100% from their side. It is nowhere, I cannot say they're not going to give any opportunity. They are going to give 100% opportunity. But the final thing is we have to grab it. If you have that interest, if you have that hard working as well as the smart work with you, of course you can grab this and you can go forward. You should have the confidence with you first, and then first the clarity should be there here, what to do, what not to do. If you have that clarity, of course you will reach in a good place.
Okay, great. So with that, we'll be coming to the end of this video, and thank you so much, Chaithali, for taking time and sharing your story here with all of us. And before we finish, I would like you to say 3 lines to all our viewers. The first line will be, please do like the video. Second line will be, please do share the video with your friends too. And the third line will be, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So over to you, Chaithali.
Please like the video, do subscribe, click the bell icon and share the video.
Okay. So before we finish, I'd like to wish you all the best for your career. Whatever you are trying to achieve, whatever goals you have, you are able to reach it and go even more further. And once again, thank you so much for taking time and sharing your story here with all of us. And yeah, with that, we'll come to the end of this video. So before we finish, we'll wish all our viewers a final bye-bye.